Little sniffles, huh? Yeah?
What happened? What happened, Eva? Where did they shoot you?
2 in one leg, 1 in the other.
2?
Yeah, no, she got 3 shots. She got those 3. Diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis.
Oh, look at my baby.
You're okay.
She's gonna fall asleep.
Oh, very good. She's got, you know, like when little kids cry, you know, they sniffle afterwards, like, come here, listen. Sniffling.
I see she's sleeping. Can I see your shots? Can I see Eva? Where did they shoot my baby?
She's got band-aids all over the place. No, okay, it's okay. You're not getting any more.
No, she cried for daddy.
You're not getting
Daddy's the bad guy.
Yeah, I gotta hold the hand. She gets to look at me when she gets pain. So she's gonna associate my face with pain.
Ava.